Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the last trading day of the month and the last trading day of the week, 29th of October, Blessing Friday 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders bank amazing profit today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys, we had amazing volatility today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar, and the dollar CAD. If you look at the EURUSD, let me share with you 4-hour. And if you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, feel free to watch. Link is given in the video description. Yesterday we were long. After the price break the previous high, we had a bank beautiful pips, amazing profit. Today we were short and we have bank beautiful pips. Again, I explained to my trader in 4-hour, if the price is going to respect this previous level which is broken, then we're looking a long. Otherwise, we're going to be keep taking a short trade here. I also explained to my trader, look for here, this is the trend support line previously broken, and after the breakout we're expecting a nice short trade here. And that's what I explained to my trader through live analysis and help my traders to bank profit. Let me share with you the video, guys. Just give me 1 second. Okay, this is the video live analysis recording, and as you can see here, I explained to my trader everything, and as you can see here, I explained that we should be looking here short trade. This is exactly the live analysis recording. I explained to my trader price develop a false breakout, so we have this breakout support trend line broken, and this is the retest. We will count it and then expecting a very nice short trade here. As you can see here, this is the recording of live analysis, and exactly this is the live analysis recording. What happened here, price nicely behaved, and all of the traders, I explained to my trader, keep taking a short trade here. So we had amazing trade today on EURUSD. Let me share with you all the analysis today. We had only 2 analyses, or 2 or 3, I believe. Okay, so yesterday we had a long trade here, and afterwards at the Asian session, explained to my trader, look for this breakout because the price was at this level. As explained, price developed a double top here. As you can see here, price even developed triple top here. Beautiful breakout, and as soon as the price hit the first target level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to bank some profit. And let's see another pattern. Then I did another analysis afterwards and explained to my trader, once you bank some profit, let's see here if the price is going to break, then taking a short trade here. If the price is going to respect that 4-hour, then we will consider this one bullish engulfing candle, and then so bullish flag pattern, basically bullish flag pattern, and then we're taking a long trade here. So you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful short trade here. As soon as the price hit 200 EMA, explain to my trader at this level, explain to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Let's see if the price is gonna break, then keep taking a short trade here. So again, as always, based on the momentum, looking for another pullback short trade here. As you can see here, once I bank some profit and explain to my trader, look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely came back here. As explained in analysis, we had a beautiful pullback and another pullback. As soon as the price hit this level, I explained to my trader it's time to bank some profit. Most of the traders really enjoyed today on short on EURUSD. That was a beautiful short trade. All right, let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had amazing trade from yesterday. We had a long here, and then later on I explained to my trader, look for this one. You can see here, looks like the price respected previously, and if you look at very carefully, and that's what I explained to my trader, we have inside candle pattern. Within the inside candle pattern, we had this one rejection, and this candle is the bullish engulfing candle. So explain to my trader, if the price is going to respect this level, then we're looking a short trade here. And I also explained to my trader, look here, price develops sort of like a downside channel pattern, so it is a high probability trade, look for short trade here. That's what happened. As you can see here, we have taken a short trade here and back beautiful pips. Let me share with you guys how I analyze market in intraday. Amazing profit, amazing profit. Okay, so this morning, as you can see here, And just in the London morning session, we were waiting for the valid pattern. As you can see here, price keep coming up and down. So we have this breakout, as you can see here, this one. And if you look at here in 4 hour, that's the breakout. In intraday, this was the pattern. I explained to my trader, we have this breakout. The way we look at price keep respecting it and fail to break this resistance level. We had this breakout, bank beautiful pips, and afterwards explain to my trader, look for another pullback. So once we bank some profit, because now we have built our sentiment and buys short on pound dollar, as explained in the analysis, look for another pullback here. Once we bank some profit, look for another pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed exactly the same level. And look at the bottom, momentum was bearish. We have another beautiful pullback short trade here. And that's explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback. So bank beautiful pips as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA. And as you can see here at the support level, that's what I explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy profit, banking beautiful pips. So we had an amazing trade on pound dollar and the euro USD, and dollar CAD we had amazing trade too. If you look at the dollar CAD and price keep respecting this level, as you can see here, our buys from last week was long. As you can see here, if this is the news reaction, as explained to my trader, market makers clean up all the stop loss and then carry on. And today we were looking this breakout, and that's what we explained to my trader, look for this breakout. We had a beautiful breakout at the London morning session, just after the London morning session, and we have another beautiful pullback long trade here. As soon as the price hit this level, explained to my trader, bank some profit. Let me share with you guys how I analyze in intraday and help my traders to squeeze such a nice beautiful pips, most of the pairs. Okay, so you can see here, this is the London morning analysis. Explained to my trader, look for this sideways market breakout. We have this beautiful breakout. As you can see here, first target hit, explained to trader, enjoying some profit, and let's see another pullback. As you can see here, based on the another analysis, we have this breakout, bank beautiful pips, look for another pullback. You can see here, explain to my trader if the price is going to respect this orange image, which is we explained through live audio commentary. Every pullback, most of the high probability we announced through live audio commentary. We had a beautiful pullback and bank beautiful pips on dollar CAD as soon as the price hit to the 100 EMA and the resistance level. Alright guys, you can see here we had such a nice amazing trade. We had another beautiful trade on all the pound yen and the euro yen. Look at this one here. We had amazing trade and explained to my trader if the price is going to, looks like a third touch. You can see here 1, 2nd and 3rd. We have this rejection. Explained to my trader, let's see if we can squeeze some beautiful pips. We had a long trade here, very small long trade, which we came out of the break even. But we had a beautiful short trade after that. You can see, let me share with you guys. So you can see here, this is the very small long trade which we came out of the break even. But after that, which is I explained to my details, keeping in mind in 4-hour price action, I explained to my trader in detail. You can see here, I explained price developed a double top here. Price broken this previous high, could not maintain this breakout, did not have any pullback. So after this breakout, price developed another pullback here. So more likely you can see exactly sort of pattern we had it in Euro USD. So I say guys, the price has broken the support after the breakout at this level, expecting another pullback. You can see here, beautiful at the same level, exactly pullback, momentum developed bearish, and that's what I explained to my trader, just keep taking a pullback until the price can hit to the support level in 4 hour. Price nicely hit and bank beautiful pips. Amazing profit today guys. You can see here such a nice trade here. So all these price action is explained live and explain all these entries and exit through live audio commentary. I hope guys you're enjoying all this analysis review. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analyses in real time and banking profit in real time, and the most interesting part of it, developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. And once you develop your trading skill and produce consistency result, I can also help you get funded from pro firms. If you are interested how I coach and train trader with a live market in real time through live intraday analysis, feel free. I'm offering one-to-one consultation, which is completely free. Myself or one of my team member will show you how you can become a successful trader and get funded. Or even if you are experienced trader managing your funds, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping live alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, guys. Join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend. Stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.